Hi, I would like to introduce you to our latest enhancement to over-the-air releases in phrase strings. As a quick intro, over-the-air releases allow digital product teams to publish copy changes without submitting a new mobile app version to the App Store or redeploying content in web applications. It supports all common platforms and allows teams to publish copy updates in just a few clicks. But let me talk a bit more about these few clicks. As you might know, at Phrase, we're always working towards a higher degree of automation, offering our customers the tools to automate more parts of their processes. Even though the OTA feature already provided a great value to our customers, there was still some manual work needed, and that's what we were looking at and trying to improve. We wanted to help customers reduce this manual effort even further, because as we saw, the average Phrase customer is releasing 9 deployments per month through the OTA feature. And even if it's just a few clicks each time, this can require up to 2 hours of development time per month if we assume that a developer needs 15 minutes from reading a ticket in their ticket system, to navigating to the right project, getting all the settings right, and then publishing the release. So we've come up with a solution to cut down this manual work and allow customers to automate their workflows even further. It's a scheduling option for over-the-air releases. By scheduling your releases that will then be done automatically by our system, you can reduce the developer time needed for localization and publish updates even faster, because every organization's eternal bottleneck is usually developer time. So this is one more capability we're adding to increase the degree of automation for your localization. All right, let's take a look at this in the product. This is my demo account in Phrase Strings. I already navigated to the over-the-air feature in the main navigation. If I now create a new distribution, give it a name, and select the project, I see that a new item appears here, which is Schedule Release. But let's get the settings right first. I want this to work for all the languages, and my project is for a web app, let's say Rails. All right, I adjust a few settings as I need them. I only want to publish reviewed translations. Fallback languages, that's fine. And now, this is the new part. If I click here, a scheduling interface comes up, and I can now define how often I want my copy updates to be released automatically. I would like them to be released every day at 9 a.m. Central European Time. I don't need any specific tags or languages. I also don't need a minimum or maximum app version, but these settings can be added if needed. If branching is enabled for your project, there will also be an option to specify the branch. Our distribution is created. It will run automatically, but as you can see, you can still create ad hoc releases. That option remains. You can always create an ad hoc release in addition to your scheduled ones. Going back to the overview, I see my new distribution in this list, and I can always get back to it, edit the settings, or remove it completely. That was it. As you can see, it's a very simple and intuitive interface, but it can make a big difference in your processes and really help you to speed things up and spend less time with manual tasks. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.